737, el tránsito sobre el puente de las Américas 800 pies. Verifique si ahora lo tiene a la vista.
Wrong inside.
Alright, and traffic?
Fuse landing.
Proceda a la 01, 1737.
Alright.
01, Servo 1037 y pendiente que cambie.
Wrong inside, November 350, Juliet.
18.3.
500.
Copy tower.
350, Juliet 18.3.
Okay.
Tower, November 350.
Juliet.
Juliet.
Here you are. No. Here.
350, Juliet. Got you inside. Runway 01, clear to land. The wind is 340 at 8, QNH 1010, 2985, runway wet.
Copy November 350.
Clear to land.
Clear to land.
Right, runway wet. That's not nice. Don't look up there anymore.
Yeah.
Keep your eyes outside. Full flaps when you're ready.
Full flap right now.
Yep. That's it. Good. Stay in the center. Don't hold rudder. Hold a heading. Good. Looking good. Come on away. You're fast. Come on away. All the way away. Yep. Good. Run that trim now. Yep. Looking way downfield. Oh, this is going to be easy on the tires. I can feel it. Right there. Hold it still. Sweet. All right. Beta, back pressure brakes. No beta. Just back pressure brakes. Remember, we're going to be turning left. So don't go easy on the brakes if it starts skidding because you can damage the tires. It's okay. Roll to the next one. Nice job. Welcome to Panama. Dick Rochfort. Fly safely. Train off.
November 350, Juliet, arrival time 42, vacate to left on Bravo and Bravo 11.7.